Hey there, Garrett here from Jonard Tools. Today we're diving into a must-have tool for any electrician or DIY enthusiast. The adjustable wire stripper and cutter, part number WS-5. Designed to handle wire sizes ranging from 10 to 30 gauge or 2.6 to 0.25 millimeter, both solid and stranded. With the adjustable screw, you can set the wire size precisely, ensuring a clean and accurate strip every time. Notice the precision ground V-notch blade. It provides superior stripping without damaging the wire. And it's not just a stripper. The WS-5 also functions as a cutter, giving you two essential tools in one compact design. Here are some standout features. It's got scored marks on the tool to easily reference size adjustments. The handle is spring-loaded with a locking latch for convenient operation. It features a wire looping and bending hole that's perfect for solid conductor wire. It's made of high carbon steel for long life, and it has vinyl cushion grips for comfort. Whether you're working on electrical installations, automotive wiring, or home projects, the Jonard WS-5 is a reliable companion. Check it out for yourself and elevate your toolkit today. And that's it for today's video. Be sure to like, share, and comment below. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and product launches. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.